When you think of police cars, what comes to mind? Flashing lights, blaring sirens, and sleek rides zooming past on the highway, right? But have you ever wondered how fast those cars are and what would happen if someone tried to outrun them? Let's be real. Running from the cops isn't just a bad idea, it's practically impossible. Why? They're not just flashy, they're custom made to catch anyone daring enough to make a run for it. Whether it's a high-speed chase or responding to an emergency, these cars are designed to handle it all. So, are you thinking about outrunning a police car? You should be aware of the X-Net. It's a tool that police use to safely stop moving cars without harming anyone inside or nearby. It's a portable system with a special spiked net that slows vehicles down quickly and effectively. The way it works is simple. The net is placed on the road in front of a moving car, and when the car drives over it, sharp spikes on the net pierce the front tires. As the net wraps around the tires, it locks them up and forces the car to stop safely. The X-Net is strong enough to work on cars weighing up to 3 tons, and newer versions can even stop more than one car at a time. This system is widely used by police, security teams, and military forces across the world because it is quick to set up, easy to carry, and minimizes harm. It provides a safe way to stop cars without causing major damage or putting anyone in danger, making it a highly effective solution for controlling vehicles in challenging situations. Their job becomes much simpler with advanced tools like StarChase, which is an innovative GPS tracking system designed to help law enforcement safely track fleeing vehicles without the need for dangerous high-speed pursuits. The system uses a launcher mounted on the front grille of police vehicles, which fires a small cylindrical GPS tag. This tag, equipped with a GPS tracker and transmitter, sticks to the suspect's vehicle using magnetic and adhesive technology. During a pursuit, officers can activate the system and deploy the tag with the press of a button inside the patrol car or a key fob, guided by a green laser for accuracy. Once attached to the fleeing vehicle, the GPS tag sends real-time updates, including location, speed, and direction, to a secure mapping system monitored by dispatchers and officers. This allows law enforcement to track the suspect remotely and make informed decisions about whether to continue the chase or back off to reduce risks to public safety. Dispatchers can guide other units to the suspect's location or wait until the vehicle stops. By eliminating the need for direct high-speed engagement, StarChase improves safety for officers, suspects, and the community while maintaining an impressive 85% apprehension rate based on a decade of data. Moving on, we have the drones. They have revolutionized how police departments maintain public safety, offering an unmatched aerial perspective for a wide range of operations. Have you ever wondered how law enforcement manages to keep an eye on massive crowds during events, or swiftly respond to emergencies in hard-to-reach areas? Drones are the game changer. These compact flying devices give officers a bird's-eye view, providing real-time surveillance that traditional methods can't match. From crowd control to crime prevention, their ability to cover large areas quickly and discreetly has made them indispensable. Just tell me in a large public event where thousands of people gather, how do authorities ensure everyone's safety? Drones equipped with high-definition cameras and live feed capabilities hover above, scanning for potential threats and guiding officers on the ground. Unlike stationary cameras, drones can maneuver through the air, eliminating blind spots and catching what fixed surveillance might miss. In high-risk areas, drones act as a proactive deterrent, their mere presence often discouraging criminal activity. But drones aren't just about watching from above. They play a crucial role in search and rescue missions, disaster management, and even SWAT operations. Like when a missing person is in a dense forest or a natural disaster with debris everywhere, a drone can quickly fly over the area, scanning vast terrains in minutes, saving valuable time and lives. Tethered drones, in particular, shine in prolonged operations. Connected to a power source on the ground, they can stay aloft for hours, providing continuous video feeds to command centers. This technology is vital during extended investigations or monitoring of a crime scene. How about emergencies like a breach at a secure facility? Traditional cameras might not catch everything, but drones can sweep the area, spot unauthorized entries, and provide immediate updates to officers. By integrating seamlessly with existing security systems, drones offer a comprehensive view of any unfolding situation, enabling faster and more coordinated responses. Their impact is undeniable. In fact, A study revealed that over 900 law enforcement agencies in the U.S. are already using drones for public safety. Search and rescue missions, disaster response, and SWAT operations are among the most common uses, proving their versatility. With drones, police can respond faster, plan better, and keep communities safer than ever before. One of the ways they use may be so dangerous that they normally kill the drivers, like the Raptor. Another highly effective tool used by law enforcement is the Held Raptor, a retractable security baller designed to stop vehicles in their tracks. Unlike some other devices, the Raptor is not only discreet but also extremely powerful. It consists of a curved, pole-like structure that is installed underground beneath a metal cover. When activated, the Raptor rapidly extends upward, creating an immediate barrier that can halt a vehicle instantly. This system is so robust that it has successfully stopped a 7.5-ton truck traveling at 50 miles per hour during crash tests, remaining fully operational afterward. The Raptor's shallow foundation design allows for easy installation without extensive excavation, making it a practical choice for various security applications. Its combination of stealth and strength provides a formidable defense against unauthorized vehicle access, enhancing safety for both law enforcement personnel and the public. Many of you may not know what a stickbot is, but it's a unique posable figure with suction cups on its hands and feet, allowing it to stick to almost any flat surface. Originally designed for creative play and storytelling, stickbots are widely used to make stop-motion animations. They have flexible joints, so you can pose them in countless ways. Interestingly, a remote-controlled version of this tool, known as the stop stick or stickbot, is used by police to improve safety during vehicle chases. This advanced version deploys spike strips remotely, removing the need for officers to set them up, which can be dangerous manually. It was created after 2 officers lost their lives while handling spike strips, and since then, it has saved many lives by allowing officers to operate from a safe distance. Whether used for fun animations or as a life-saving device in law enforcement, the stickbot shows how a simple yet innovative design can serve multiple purposes and have a significant impact. Here's the main reason why you should never even consider running from the cops. Enhanced police vehicles, often called pursuit-rated vehicles, are specially designed to handle the challenging demands of law enforcement. These aren't your average cars. They're engineered to perform in high-pressure situations, ensuring officers have the tools they need to do their jobs safely and effectively. So, what makes these vehicles so special? Manufacturers like Ford, General Motors, and Dodge upgrade standard vehicles to handle the intense tasks police officers face daily. For starters, these vehicles are built with heavy-duty components. Enhanced braking systems, high-performance suspensions, and pursuit-rated tires ensure they can manage high-speed chases, hard braking, and rough terrain. These upgrades provide better stability, control, and durability, even in the most demanding scenarios. Cooling systems are optimized to keep the engine running smoothly during extended idling or high-speed pursuits. This is especially important for maintaining safe temperatures for officers, passengers, or even canine units. Electrical systems are also calibrated to power the many devices officers rely on, from radios and lights to onboard computers, all while ensuring safety sensors don't interfere with police equipment. The vehicles are designed for comfort and ease of use. Seats are tailored for officers wearing duty belts, and controls are placed strategically for quick access to equipment and switches. Even the layout inside the vehicle is designed for practicality, ensuring detainees or gear can be moved in and out efficiently. Ford's Police Interceptor Utility and F-150 Police Responder, General Motors' pursuit-rated SUVs, and Dodge's heavy-duty vehicles all offer unique features like steel wheels, performance shock tuning, and reinforced components for strength and resilience. These enhancements help vehicles last longer and perform better under constant use, reducing maintenance costs and improving safety on the job. Given these advancements, doesn't it make you wonder what the future holds for law enforcement vehicles? How else could these enhanced vehicles evolve to meet even greater challenges? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section and feel free to share your experiences with us. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to support our channel and stay updated with our latest content.